wrapped up in holiday trash bag, but it's clearly a body.
2025年10月28日、ニューメキシコ州アルバカーキ。69歳の女性、アーネスティーナ・ルセロの行方不明届を受け、警察は対象者の居住地で安否確認を行った。しかし、室内で捜査官が直面したのは、想定を大幅に逸脱した状況であった。
You all know the lady that lives here?
I know that.
The older lady?
There's a dude living
There's a
there.
dude there.
Leroy?
That lives there.
Is it Leroy?
We don't know.
I don't know his name. But he lived with an old lady.
Yeah. The last time you saw him.
Well, I know about like 2-3 weeks ago. Hold on, baby. 2-3 weeks ago, after a visit that she took me to, I haven't seen her since.
She took you?
Yeah, she used to. Me and her, we would go to the food bank together.
Okay.
So she ended up taking us back and forth. After like a few times, I didn't see her again.
Yeah. You haven't seen her charger here at all?
I'm sorry?
She sold it?
Yeah, he sold the car. He asked us if we wanted to buy it. I had asked him like, where did she go, and he's like, she went to Mexico. He was saying a bunch of things about her leaving to Mexico with her boyfriend, and that they were on a speaking basis right now. And then like a couple days later, he came and knocked, and he's like, hey, by any chance, do you want to buy my car? I'm trying to make money for rent. That's what he said.
How long ago was that?
Like a week ago. I know my brother asked him like, where's your mom at? Because we haven't seen her in a while, and he like stuttered and he just went silent.
Police.
When
They were fighting before she left.
that was my next
They
one.
were fighting before she left. I know there was a couple nights where they were going at it. I have a
Hear
2-year-old,
them and stuff.
and I've asked them to, just take it down a little bit. He said he's thugging.
They're quiet.
Yeah, before she
But
had.
this was like she's been gone for a while.
Yeah, she's been gone for at least a month and a half now.
If not more, I don't know.
She had asked me the first day I met her. She asked me about the mailbox because she needed to get her check for her social security check. She said that she needed to get her check before he got it or something. That he was trying to take it and then.
近隣住民の証言により、被害者アーネスティーナ・ルセロの消息が1ヶ月以上途絶えていることが判明した。また住民らは、アーネスティーナと息子の間では日常的に口論が行われていたこと、失踪直前の夜にも激しい衝突があったことを警察へ報告した。さらに、容疑者が母親の車両を売却し、社会保障の給付金を不正受給しようとした事実、および母親は交際相手とメキシコへ渡航したとの容疑者の主張についても供述が得られている。
He's gonna say she went to Mexico, but she could barely walk.
She could barely walk. Like
Come on, man. Yeah, come on. He's coming to the front door. Open up.
Sorry, man. I thought you were someone else, dude.
Mind if I step in and talk to you real quick?
Yeah, no problem.
Can I step in and talk to you?
Oh, yeah. Come in. I'll just keep it.
Dogs friendly?
Yeah, they bite. I mean, they bark. They don't bite. Yeah, can I shut the door so they don't run off?
My partner's coming in too.
Oh, okay.
Yeah, but
Yeah, man. I thought you were this lady banging on the door. My bad. I was sleepy, dude.
Okay.
It's been a rough 2 weeks, man. Sorry about that.
What's been going on?
My mom's missing, man, with college, work. I've been overstressed, tired, you know what I mean?
Right through 360.
Just trying to get some rest, man.
Okay.
Exhausted from worrying, you know what I mean?
Yeah, the reason why we're here is because family is concerned and saying that they've been trying to reach out to you, that
I
you've just kind of been
all
ignoring
their calls,
them.
man. I'll show you the text messages, everything, man. I've never ignored none of them.
You sure? Okay. Alright, then.
I don't know why they get... Okay, I'm gonna tell you. Like, my mom had some dude trying to get at me or something, and but I never came at her the same way.
What do you mean she's been trying
Like,
to get at you?
dudes that harass me and stuff. But I never went at her like that, you know what I mean? So they know what she's capable of, so they're afraid of me doing it, I guess is why they're thinking it, you know what I mean? But dude, this has been going on for years, you know what I mean? And I've never once raised a hand to her. You know, this last time I just told her, you know, I'm just tired of your lies, I don't believe you, man. I don't even think we should be around each other. It disgusts me because we used to be close. You know, we weren't always like that, and I'm sorry it is the way it is, but if I would have known, I would have paid more attention, asked more questions, you know what I mean? But it's just where we were, man, at that time.
Okay.
And I haven't been in trouble with the law since I got out of prison. The last time I had seen her, when she came in, I asked her, what are you doing? She said, I've been kicking it with her. She said, I've been seeing her, is what she said. And I just went to my room. I thought she was going to crash here in her room. I woke up in the morning. There was a load of clothes in the washer because we have a front loader. So she tends to leave the clothes in there and it stinks, the front loader. So I thought she was in her room. So I went in her room and she was gone. So I put her clothes to dry. That was the last time I seen her, man.
Okay. Alright. And before that, she didn't mention anything about going anywhere, seeing anybody?
Just yeah, man.
一人の警察官がレロイの聴取を継続する中、もう一人の警察官が台所へと移動した。この点検が本件の解決を決定づける端緒となった。
Week after 15th to 17th?
What's up, boss?
Let's step outside.
Alright.
Go and put your hands behind your back.
Right.
She's in the freezer.
I know. Hey, I know. I'm a lawyer, man.
Be quiet.
Shut
I know the crap.
Services. Hey, let's. Okay.
Thank you, man. Hey, will you take the dogs in, please, sir? So they don't stay out here?
Huh? I can't put them out. I can't put them inside there.
Can they follow me and I'll come right
Yeah,
back?
they can follow. They can follow us.
No, it's inside. So I can lock them. You can
No,
lock them in.
no.
Right now
We're not going in there.
Hey, sir, I love those dogs, man. They're all my dogs. I'm real cooperative, man. There's a story to everything, man. I love you guys, man. Can I kiss him?
Huh?
Can I kiss the dog sometimes?
Just finish your cigarette and have a seat in the car.
Can I finish my smoke at least, man?
No.
I'll put your dogs in my car.
Have a seat inside. Okay?
Thank you, man.
Yes, sir. Have a seat inside.
Hey, I love you. I love you guys, man.
I'm just gonna let him
Come on, buddy.
and go back
Thank
here.
you, man. I appreciate it.
Yeah.
Come on, buddy.
You gonna bite me?
No, you don't bother.
Hey,
I know it's.
hey, let me. So, what did you see?
Dude, she's in the freezer. She's wrapped up in a trash bag in the freezer. But it's clearly a body. Like her head, right?
聴取開始後、容疑者リロイ・バレホスは母親の殺害および遺体の損壊を自供した。供述によると、容疑者は母親を絞殺した後、遺体を損壊し、一部を冷凍庫へ秘匿した。犯行の動機については、母親からの追放や周囲の人間関係をめぐる一方的な被害妄想が語られ、一貫性のない供述が続いた。逮捕後、容疑者は殺人及び証拠隠滅の容疑で起訴されたが、公判を維持する能力が欠如していると判断された。結果、被告は刑事責任能力なしとみなされ、 州の専門的な精神医療施設へと移送された。現在も当該施設において医療的処置と鑑定が継続されている。